Hello XGIMI MoGo 3 Pro owners. Here is the must-have accessory for your projector. Yes, it is a UGREEN micro HDMI to HDMI adapter. A rock-solid adapter that supports HDMI to 4K, 3D and HDR. Personally, I prefer adapter because I can attach whatever HDMI cable length that I like. It is much easier to extend and flexible. For example, UGREEN HDMI cable with 8K support. Simple and easy to use. Just plug in the adapter to micro HDMI slot on MoGo 3 Pro and remove it after use. That's all. By the way, for those who did not get MoGo 3 Pro yet, now is the best time to buy one. It is at the lowest price yet. Don't miss it. As usual, all the info you need is listed below. See ya!